Imagine having an extra $1,000 in your bank account, not for a fancy vacation or a new gadget, but as a safety net. This isn't just about money, it's about peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for unexpected bumps. That $1,000 is your launchpad to bigger financial goals, your first real step toward financial freedom. It means avoiding high-interest debt when life throws a curveball, like a car repair or a medical bill. It's truly powerful, but how do you actually get there? Especially if $1,000 feels like a mountain right now. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. We're going to break down exactly how to save your first $1,000 with small, actionable steps anyone can follow. No complicated jargon, no drastic cuts, just practical, easy-to-implement strategies that build momentum. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to make that $1,000 goal a reality starting today. Let's do this. Alright, so how do you actually get to that first $1,000? It all starts with becoming a money detective. You need to figure out exactly where your money is going right now. This isn't about judging yourself. It's about gaining clarity. The easiest way to do this: track every single dollar you spend for just 1 week. Write it down, use an app, or even just keep receipts. You'd be amazed at what you uncover when you actually pay attention. For example, imagine you grab a $5 coffee every weekday. That's $25 in a week, or $100 in a month. That morning habit alone could be a huge chunk of your $1,000 goal. It really adds up faster than you think. The common mistake: thinking you know where your money goes without actually looking. You'll likely find hidden spending that could easily be redirected towards your savings. Give it a try for 1 week. You'll learn so much. Okay, with your spending tracked, let's find one small thing to cut. The goal here isn't a massive overhaul, but one easy win to build momentum. Think about a recurring expense that you wouldn't miss too much. For instance, let's look at takeout. If you grab a quick lunch or dinner out just once a week, that can easily cost you $15 to $25. What if you made that one meal at home instead? Cooking that single meal yourself could save you anywhere from $20 to $30 every month. That's an extra $240 to $360 a year just by making one small switch. It's a simple change, but the savings add up fast. Don't try to cut everything at once. That leads to burnout. Just pick one small, achievable expense this week. One less coffee, one less impulse buy. You've got this, and every dollar saved is a step closer to your $1,000. Now let's make saving truly effortless. The trick here is called automating your savings. Think of it like setting your money on autopilot so you don't even have to think about it. It just happens. Here's how it works. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account. Start with something small, like just $25 per week. Most banks let you do this easily, online or through their app in a few clicks. That $25 a week adds up surprisingly fast. Over a month, that's $100. In just 10 weeks, you've painlessly saved $250 without lifting a finger after the initial setup. This method removes the willpower struggle entirely. The best part: you'll quickly get used to not seeing that small amount in your checking account. It's an invisible way to boost your savings, bringing you closer to your first $1,000 goal without any conscious effort or daily decisions. Now, let's talk about speeding things up. While cutting expenses is great, sometimes you just need a little extra coming in. Think of it as hitting the accelerator on your $1,000 savings goal. A super simple way to do this is to sell something you no longer need. Look around your home for an unused item, maybe an old gadget, a piece of clothing, or furniture. Selling just one item could easily net you $50 to $100. Another idea is to pick up a small, temporary gig. Could you walk a neighbor's dog for a week? Offer to babysit for a few hours? Even doing a few online surveys can add up. The trick is to find something quick and easy that fits your schedule. The mistake to avoid: thinking you need a whole new side hustle. You don't. Just focus on one-off, easy ways to grab an extra $50 or $100 this month. This extra boost will get you to that $1,000 goal much faster. So there you have it. Saving your first $1,000 isn't about grand gestures, or winning the lottery. It's about taking those small, consistent steps we just talked about. Each tracked expense, every small cut in, every automatic transfer adds up faster than you think. Don't get overwhelmed trying to do everything at once. Pick just one tip from today's video. Maybe track your spending for a week or set up that $25 weekly transfer. You'll be amazed at the momentum you build and how quickly your savings grow. Your first $1,000 isn't just a number. It's a financial safety net, a confidence booster, and the foundation for all your future money goals. It's totally achievable, and you absolutely can do this. Ready to take control of your money and build a secure financial future? Hit that subscribe button for more simple, actionable money advice every week. We'll help you make smart money moves, 1 minute at a time.